I know how important it is to keep our furry friends happy and healthy, especially as they age. I've tested 5 top-rated wet foods for senior dogs to help you find the best options without wasting your hard-earned money. Let's dive in.
Product number 1. Blue Buffalo Home-Style Recipe Adult Wet Dog Food. When I first opened a can of Blue Buffalo Home-Style Recipe, the rich aroma of chicken and beef hit me immediately. My senior dog, Max, seemed to sense it too. His tail wagged like crazy as I placed the food in his bowl. The first thing I noticed was the texture. It was a smooth pâté that looked both appetizing and nutritious. Blue Buffalo prides itself on using real meat as the first ingredient, which is crucial as we want the best for our aging pets. Max devoured it, and I felt a wave of relief knowing he was enjoying something healthy. The pros of this product are numerous. First, it's made from high-quality ingredients without any chicken byproduct meals, corn, or soy, just wholesome goodness. Additionally, the variety pack means Max gets a mix of flavors, which keeps his mealtime exciting. I also love that I can easily mix it with his dry food or serve it alone. On the downside, the price might be a bit higher than other brands, but I believe you get what you pay for in quality. So why should you buy Blue Buffalo Home-Style Recipe? If your senior dog needs a boost in nutrition, this food provides essential vitamins and minerals that support a healthy coat and overall well-being. It's a delicious, balanced meal that caters specifically to adult dogs, making it a top choice for those looking to treat their furry companions right.
Product number 2. Hill's Science Diet Sensitive Stomach and Skin. One of the biggest worries for pet owners is finding food that caters to their dog's sensitive stomach. When I tried Hill's Science Diet Sensitive Stomach and Skin with Max, I was immediately impressed by the rich turkey and rice stew. The texture was perfect, and the ingredients were clearly visible. Knowing that it's made with prebiotic fiber and omega-6 fatty acids gave me confidence that I was feeding him something beneficial. The benefits here are significant. This food is specifically designed for dogs with sensitive stomachs, which is fantastic for Max, who sometimes struggles with his digestion. The prebiotic fiber helps to promote good gut health, and the omega-6s, alongside vitamin E, support a healthy, shiny coat. However, the one downside is that it can be a bit pricier than regular dog food, but the quality justifies the cost. Why should you consider Hill's Science Diet? If your dog has digestive issues or sensitive skin, this food is highly recommended by veterinarians for a reason. It offers a precise balance of nutrients that supports overall health and wellness, making it an excellent choice for senior dogs.
Product number 3. Fresh Pet Fresh Dog Food Slice and Serve Roll. When I first received the Fresh Pet Fresh Dog Food, I was intrigued by the concept of a slice and serve roll. After slicing off a portion for Max, the first thing I noticed was how fresh and vibrant the ingredients looked. The tender chicken recipe was packed with real meat, and I could see fresh veggies mixed in, which made me feel good about feeding it to my dog. Max practically jumped for joy when I placed the food in his bowl, and he cleaned it up in record time. The pros of this product are that it's made from fresh, natural ingredients, no preservatives, just pure goodness. The convenience of being able to slice it as needed is a huge plus for busy pet owners. However, I did notice that since it's fresh food, it needs to be stored in the fridge, which can be a bit inconvenient if you're used to canned food. So why buy Fresh Pet? If you're looking for a fresh option that feels more like home-cooked food and less like processed pet food, this is a fantastic choice. It's especially great for senior dogs who may need a more appealing texture and taste to encourage eating.
Product number 4. Hill's Science Diet Adult 7+, Senior Adult 7+, Wet Dog Food. As Max crossed into his golden years, I was on the hunt for a wet food that catered specifically to senior dogs. Hill's Science Diet Adult 7+ in beef and vegetable stew was a natural choice. The moment I opened the can, the hearty smell of beef and veggies wafted out, and I could see the chunks of meat and vegetables mixed in. Max seemed to sense that this was special and eagerly awaited his serving. The benefits of this food are significant for senior dogs like Max. It contains essential nutrients that support joint health and mobility, which is crucial as dogs age. The balanced nutrition helps maintain an ideal weight, and the taste is simply irresistible for him. However, one downside is that it can be hard to find in local stores, which may require ordering online. Why invest in Hill's Science Diet Adult 7+? If your dog is aging, this food is designed specifically for their needs. It provides a balanced meal that supports overall health, making it a smart choice for any senior pet owner.
Product number 5. Freshpet Healthy and Natural Food for Small Dogs/Breeds. I stumbled upon Freshpet's healthy and natural food for small dogs and thought it would be a great option for Max, who isn't the biggest eater. The fresh, grain-free chicken recipe was inviting, and again, the quality of ingredients impressed me. I could see real chicken and vegetables, which immediately made me feel confident in the decision. Max took to it quickly, and I loved that it was specifically designed for small breeds like him. The pros of this product include its grain-free formula, which is excellent for dogs with sensitivities or allergies. It's fresh, and the convenience of serving it straight from the fridge is a bonus. The only downside is the size of the packaging. It might not be ideal for larger dogs or those who require higher quantities. So, why should you consider Freshpet for your small dog? If you want to provide a fresh, natural option that supports your dog's dietary needs, this is a fantastic pick. It's wholesome and tailored for smaller breeds, ensuring they get the nutrition they need.